it's Bekah, and welcome to the Carriage House, a little place to find cozy inspiration for your hearth and home. I'm in our guest bedroom this afternoon in our little farmhouse on the northern plains of Iowa, and hope to get it all cozy and decorated for the beautiful season of fall. I'll also be sharing lots of little ways how you can help your guests feel warm, welcomed, and relaxed at your home during the season of autumn. So as always, I'm really glad you're here and that you'll be my guest for a short while here at the Carriage House. Perhaps after a long day of travel, it's nice for guests to be welcomed with a cozy and wholesome meal before they lay their heads to rest for the night. You can always order pizza, make a healthy side salad, or even purchase a pre-made meal at the grocery. Or you can take the time to make a homemade meal such as a hearty soup, chili, or lasagna. This time of year, when the veil is thin between late summer and early autumn, our tomatoes are ready to be harvested in the garden. So gonna make a hearty marinara sauce, either for a large spaghetti supper or a yummy baked lasagna. But first I'm going to roast our tomatoes before I make our sauce, just to bring more flavor out in the tomatoes, and I will leave these recipes down below. So yesterday I was in here, I dusted, swept, and mopped just to create a clean, calm, and fresh space for guests, making it easy for them to relax. But even if you don't have a separate room for people who visit overnight, you can create the same type of space on the couch or a fold-out bed. And I do have this beautiful and cozy comforter that was sent to us by Peace Nest, and just wanted to thank them for helping us make this video. But this comforter is so soft, you guys. It's probably the softest comforter, or any blanket for that matter, that I've ever had. And I was telling my husband I may have to get one for him and I and my kids, maybe this winter time. But it's a prime, soft, lightweight down alternative comforter. So it's filled with 100% hypoallergenic microfibers, which is good. It helps protect you from allergy-causing feathers. And all their materials are responsibly sourced and renewable, and only recyclable materials are used. And it's antibacterial as well, which is a good thing. But it's lightweight and warm at the same time, so it's perfect for any season. And the main thing I love is it's machine washable, which a lot of duvets, after you wash them, the down feathers tend to ball up afterwards. But I highly recommend Peace Nest. If you're needing a cozy comforter this fall or winter, you can enjoy 10% off your purchase. I have a special coupon code that you can use, and I will leave all that information down below. So now I'm adding more cozy blankets and extra pillows to the bed, and to a little basket, or big basket actually, that I have just in case they want an extra layer of warmth when they relax or sleep at night. We do live in an old farmhouse that was built in 1900, so this room in particular can get a bit drafty. And then going to add some fresh fall decor throughout the room. So now that the guest room is clean and decorated, I took out my tomatoes that had been roasting in the oven and began to make a hearty. I'm sorry, that's my son practicing his ABCs. I may have to redo this. But I'm going to make a hearty and comforting marinara sauce that I'll use in a baked lasagna. And just chopping one onion that I'll be sauteing in olive oil, and I'll be adding those delicious roasted tomatoes along with herbs and spices. And this is a recipe I created a long time ago, and I usually don't measure when making the sauce, but I wanted to have an actual recipe to share with you. So I spent a few days in the kitchen writing down measurements while making the sauce. So just in case if you're looking for a new recipe or a spaghetti sauce recipe. But if you do try it, I'd love for you to come back and tell me how you like it. And I would love to hear some of your favorite recipes that you love to cook on those chilly autumn nights ahead.
Wasn't I meant to lie in your arms here for a while? I'm alive and I take you in. I've been falling, calling. When I reach out